get started. So I've already completed the level I was supposed to complete, but I'll complete it again for recording purposes. Just kind of like the recording wasn't perfect. Kind of like this gameplay. Oh my god. I might have to restart. That's fine, that's very funny. I'm a very funny guy. Let's just get into it. Those jumps were unnecessary. It's been a really long time since I played this. Oh, a life. Just what I needed. So yeah, I just woke up one day and thought, oh, YouTube channel. I had that, so I'm back here again. I'm playing this in the night time, so I'm being much more quiet. I hope you guys can hear me. An airplane just flew by. You might also hear some weird sounds in the night. You know, all the sounds become very amplified in the night time. That'll happen. For sure. I have a very loud neighborhood. I've heard stories of people saying random stuff on the night time, talking to someone on the phone. So that might happen. Definitely look out for that. Or I'll have to look out for that. I'll have to restart. Never mind, I'm rich. I missed. The hallmark of every great. Oh! Yeah, we don't want to mess with that guy. We do want to mess with the scroll though. The scrolls, once you get all the scrolls, you can read the mantra to open up the gate to the hell. How did I die? Did I step on the shield? The spiky shield? Oh! You sure Ninja Rashi shouted just like me. Yeah, my aim is horrible. Oh my god. I was supposed to make it. I was supposed to hit that so I could get aura. Be aura farming. Yeah, I'm a Zenzi. What you gonna do, bud? Come on, make the run. I know there's a life here. I'm gonna need it. I'm a very clumsy person. I don't know how I got through this before. I definitely brought lives because I died a lot. I should also like get lives through the skill set. I just forget it's there every time or just don't want to use it. I have to take care of this guy. Hold on, let me just take care of this vase. You know, vase bad. Did I get them? No. The shield guy has been protecting him all this time. Like a protective mother or something. Okay. Let's not die this time. Hmm. It's really interesting. I do not want to mess with the spears. Look at this. It's floating. Damn. I ain't got a word for it. Just, why? Should just kill them, man. Now I have to wait for my bus. There. Oh, you can probably even hear my clock doing the tick tock, tick tock. This will be my thumbnail. Just under a tree. Can I just position the. Yeah, like that. Or maybe this. But I've already done this as my thumbnail. Maybe this? Try to make it look like I'm walking there. Ooh, this is also a pretty cool tree, I guess. The last thumbnail should be special. I mean, this is not really the last thumbnail. Was that my final life? No, that was not my final life. Now it's my final life, okay. Yeah, the last thumbnail has to be kinda important. But then again, this is not my last. I know what the last thumbnail will be. Just be me fighting that whatever his name was. Orochi? Oh shit. How will I oh, don't be a bomb, okay. Good. Did I miss? Yeah, I missed the window. Come on, make a run for it. Be Usain Bolt. Come on, come on. I hesitated. Thank God I still have the emergency. How many airplanes are going up here? Is there an airplane airport near me? Or is it the same airplane that just circled back like, oh, the wrong route. Sorry, passengers. Sorry, guys. Okay, this was kind of early. This is good. Okay, nice. Is there life here? Please let there be life. Oh my god. Oh! Should not shout in the night time. I also have my screen on night mode. I don't think that gets screen recorded. First time I'm playing Ninja Rashi with night mode on low brightness. Usually I want to see the full everything it has to offer. You know? Yeah, this guy was oh my god. Zero awareness. I thought this would be a quick 5-minute pump and dump and run. Nah. That happens. It's gonna take some time. I have to sleep, man. I have to sleep for school. I even gave my exams. Like, I may have failed it. I hope not. Okay. Always be sure to kill the guy to make sure your landing spot is safe. One of the most basic things they train at ninja school. Oh shit, that is not a life. No, I ain't risking it. I don't want to risk no further. I've already embarrassed myself quite a lot actually. They'll save me from these. Okay, not getting that. My bus is not here again. Yeah, dog barks as well, you'll hear that too. Yeah. He's a really nice dog though. Really like him. We're at this place again. Was I here again? Is that what Ninja Rashi says? I probably said that in a overly grandpa tone, but that's fine. You sure you can like hit them below their feet as well? Why this guy is getting overpaid or something? Why is he saving the guy? Oh my god, I forgot there was this. I'm getting out of here. That's what happens for being a coward. Don't be a coward, guys. Face your enemies head on instead of dying like a fool. What was that? Oh god, man. Did something get in my ear or something? It's so itchy. Okay, we're back. 2 lives left. Shit. I have to make a genuine plan or something, man. Should have waited a little while longer, but it's fine. Okay. It kind of did not work out, but it worked out. I made it work out. I'm a make it work out kind of guy. I don't work out though. What is my guy doing? Tweaking. Okay, I know there's a guy that comes from the back and tries to kill me. Oh, okay, I'm safe. I'm safe. I'm pretty sure it's not even this way I'm supposed to go. Okay, never mind, it is. I've played this level before, what the hell? Okay, I thought there'd be a bomb there. Please let there be a life. Okay. Lives are important. What happened to my voice? Why does it sound like I just had cigarettes? Okay, I'm gonna go from the back, if that's possible. No, it's not possible. It is not possible, I repeat. How do I do this? Damn, I'm too much of a scaredy cat, man. You can do this. I don't think it's from there I'm supposed to go. I think I'm supposed to go from up. I'm an idiot. I should have realized it. But hey, don't be so hard on yourself. Body positivity. I think I used the wrong mental term. It's not true here. Do I just drop down? Come back up again? We need to get a checkpoint fast. Oh, I see you. It's been so long since I played this level. I've forgotten everything about it. Like, I don't remember there being a guy tweaking down there. Even my guy was tweaking for a while. I think there's extra shrooms in these lands today. Oh my god. Please don't die. Please don't die. Oh no, no. You ain't getting me today. You ain't getting me today. You ain't getting to me today. Come on, let me just get out of here. Okay, good. Let this be the final. Okay. We have gotten through season 3. Thank you guys for being here for this journey that took 12 minutes. I'm finally over it. I mean, I was over it a long time ago, but I did not like the recording, so I had to do it again. So. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I hope the recording got recorded well and I don't have to redo this video again, but yeah, it's always a blast to play Ninja Rush. Actually, I won't mind it. Or will I? I like the cover art. I never realized they were like those birds coming from the sky somewhere. Are those even birds? They look like birds. Beautiful, man. There's dragons in this one. This is basically the opening screen. This is a classic. Breathtaking, all of them. And now Orochi. This is my least favorite, but whatever. I have not played Orochi. I will make sure that my recording compounds or recording set is all set perfectly, and my mannerisms are also there, so that yeah, the person I am that day is also good, so it should be a good day. I'm not the same person every day. I change every day, so I hope it's a good, fun person that day. Yeah. See you guys when I get there. Bye.